Hey everybody, my name is Holly Draper and I'm the creator of Shop Draped. It is morning and I'm out here in Ocean City, Maryland. And this morning I'm going to teach you guys 3 different ways to rock your head wrap on the beach, okay? So let's get into it. So the first style is super easy. I love rocking my style while on vacation. I'm going to take my locks down and excuse the sweat because it's pretty humid out here this morning. So I'm going to push my hair back, get it all situated. Alright, got my handy dandy head wrap, and I'm going to wrap it around my head like this. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm talking pretty low, so I don't want to disturb anybody. I tied it once, and I'm going to push the rest of my hair kind of back, and I'm going to tie it again. And guess what? That is it. This is perfect for keeping your hair out the way while you're enjoying the sand and the beach and the ocean and the waves. You don't want to get your hair too involved in all of that, so you could just push it back. This style. So let's move on to style number 2. So I just took out that little knot, and now we're gonna go back to where we only tied once in the back. And then we're going to make a bow. And as you guys know with bows, you want to start playing with them and fluffing them out. Right. That's it, you guys. So let me give you guys a little turnaround. Alright, let's get into style number 3. Okay, as you guys can see, I have my locks up top. So we're going to do a peekaboo style that's really cute. Center your head in the middle of your head now. Come together, cross.
The colors are so pretty.
Thank you. Cross in the back and tuck on each side. You can fix it the way that you want to. You can have your locks to one side or the other. And that's it for this style, you guys. I hope that helps, and if you guys are going out on a vacation, enjoy, you guys. Alright, see you guys in the next one.